If you're in Microsoft Word and you're trying to use the inking tools and they're grayed out, this is what you need to do to fix it. And then I'm going to tell you how to use the action pen, all the little tips and tricks, and demonstrate those for you. All right, if you use a stylus and Windows on your tablet, this is a great channel for you, so subscribe right now if you want to learn more content like this. Okay, so we're going to go to the View tab, and we're going to switch to Print Layout. Now when we go back to the Draw tab, you're going to notice that we have these tools available. So we're going to start with a little bit of dictation. So we're going to put down some text, and then we're going to edit it using the action pen. And I'm going to show you all the different steps that you can do. So we're going to add a little bit of punctuation, drop down a few lines, and we're going to do a complicated word that's not picked up by dictation. Maybe not in this video. If you want to learn more about how to use dictation inside of Microsoft Word, check out the video I have on that. Link is in the description. Okay, so we're done with the dictating part. All right, so we're going to select the action pen. At this time, I cannot find a keyboard shortcut for the action pen, so it is just the action pen right there. Okay, so if we swipe down, that's going to cut the line. If we swipe through a word, that's going to split the word. If the word is split and we want to combine it, we can draw a little, kind of like a smiley mouth underneath. Smiley mouth, split, split, smiley mouth, smiley mouth. All right, if we do it twice, again, it's going to drop down the line. Now if we're on the other side and we draw up, you can get rid of the space the same way. Now if I don't want a word, I can draw right through it. You can see I'm going through the word text and all the way to the end. Okay, let's go ahead and undo that. We're going to tap to move the cursor. If you want to select a word, unlike other places in Windows where you would double tap on the cursor or triple tap to select the line, here we're going to circle it. Now if we want to add a different word, we can use dictation, place. And that's a very fast way to change the words that are there. However, what we're going to do is we're going to use the action pen. Let's select the action pen again, and we're going to draw a little up arrow. We can write anywhere on this white space, anything we want. A single word is just fine. But what this is going to do is that's going to input it. Note that you cannot do this in the middle of a word. It needs to be in a space. All right, if you guys want to learn more about this over here, this is the artist pad. I use this for dictation, for writing, for editing inside of Microsoft Word, OneNote, and a number of other places. You can find out more with the link to that video in the description. Now, one last tip that I think is so important. This is a little bit different than the action pen, but the action pen we're using for editing. Okay, we're going to select the word edit, and we're going to press Shift plus F3. This is the toggle case keyboard shortcut. Really, really useful. So that is Shift plus F3. I'm using the artist pad from Tablet Pro to trigger that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And until next time, stay creative.